So, a lot of my guys have been asking me lately to recommend a prop firm they can start trading with, something reliable, trustworthy, that actually pays, right? This last week, I've gotten over 5 people that have messaged me already, right? So I decided to do my research and I personally tried out one. It is called Ola Prime, and honestly, it met my expectation, right? And that is why I am making this video right now to share my honest experience with Ola Prime and why I think it is one of the best pro firm out there right now. First of all, let's talk about the platform itself. It is honestly one of the cleanest dashboard I've ever used. All right, the navigation is super easy. Everything is just right. All right, the challenges, the metrics, account progress, very simple and straightforward. All right. Talking about the platform, let me quickly take you through the step-by-step process by which you can quickly get an account with them. All right. So the first thing is to register an account with them. So just click on the register button showing right here, and after clicking on that, then you know the drill. Input every single details you need to input right here: your first name to your email address, your new password, confirm your password, your address, phone number, and everything. And after doing that, then you have to agree to these terms right here. So click on the you agree right here, and then you click on the sign up button. All right, I am going to do mine right now, and I will get back to the video right away. So this is me after inputting all the details. So I just have to click on the sign up right here, sign up button showing right here. All right, so after clicking on it, then it's going to direct me to the next step. All right, so as you can see, it is currently loading, and after loading, then it wrote success. All right, so after registering, I got a message from them. All right, and this is it showing right here on the screen, saying that I have to verify my email address, and as you can see right here, the link to verify my email address is right here. So I just have to click on the verify email showing on the screen, and after clicking on it, it is going to verify my email address for me, and I can proceed with the platform. So as you can see right here, this is what it brought. As you can see, email verified successfully. Now I can proceed to logging into the platform and do whatever I have to do on the platform. All right, so now to log into the platform is simple. Just input your email address right here and also your password. So after signing into the platform, this is where it is going to take you to the account overview, which is also the dashboard. So this is us after creating an account with them, and as you can see, this is their dashboard right here, and you can take out your time to explore everything about their platform. All right, so basically most pro firms, anytime they finish creating an account to them, the next thing to do is to verify your KYC. But for Hola Prime, don't stress yourself out. All right, so one thing you should know about their KYC process, which is your identity verification, is that Ola Prime keeps it simple, very simple. You only need to complete your KYC after you passed your challenge, or if you buy a direct funded account from them. All right. This means that you don't need to stress about it while you're still doing your challenge. All right. You only need to verify once you are actually qualified to get funded. All right, the process is very straightforward. All right, all you just have to do is you just have to come to their user settings right here. All right, and the only thing you need to do is to upload your ID, and a selfie, and you are done. No long form or complicated steps. All right, this is where you have to come to. All right, and as you can see right here, you are not yet eligible for KYC verification showing on the screen. All right, but once you're eligible, the step is just straightforward. You just only have to upload your ID and a selfie, and then you are done. Now to purchase a prop firm on this platform is simple, right? And their prop firms are cheap. I can guarantee you that. Now many of you have been asking me how you can get prop firms, cheap prop firms, because I still got the question this evening how you can get prop firms. Now this is a prop firm that is going out in a cheap price, and they are very reliable, tested and trusted. All right, so take out your time to make sure you participate in this particular opportunity. This is an opportunity, a golden chance. All right, but before I show you how you can purchase a prop firm account with them, I have to mention this because it is very good of them. All right, now I want you to know that this particular prop firm offers low spread. All right, and their rules is very transparent. There are no hidden rules in this particular prop firm. No hidden rules at all. All right, now if you click on the trading platforms right here, it will show you the details of where you can trade with. As you can see, for the forex and cryptos, you can trade with MT5, MT4, MTR, DX Trade Locker, right? So these are the platforms that you can trade with for the forex and cryptos. And for the futures, you can use the Rhythmic, Project X, and Quantor. All right, so these are the platforms you can use to trade with this particular prop firm. All right, and they offer a low spread, very low spreads. All right, and they have transparent rules, trading rules. Right, now moving to how you can purchase a prop firm on their platform. Now this prop firm offer starts at $49. All right, so let's just go straight to it. Just click on the menu button as usual, click on the new challenge right here or down here, any one of the two, and then you wait patiently for it to load. Now for those of you that will watch this video to the end, I will show you, I will explain some things to you that is going to benefit from you, that will make you be able to get this prop firm well and also withdraw from it better. All right, now you select anyone you want. Maybe you want the forex, crypto, or futures. You select it, and then you select any account you want. As you can see, we have the Prime, we have the Pro, we have the Direct. All right, and as for every account type, we have different step. All right, as you can see, for the Pro, we have the 1 step and the 2 steps. All right, so you can just select anyone, and as you can see, for the Prime right here, for the 1 step Prime, you have the minimum trading days of 2, profit target is 10%, maximum daily loss is 3%, and maximum loss is 6%. So as you can see, this is the 2 step. The minimum trading days is 3, and for the second step it is also 3. Profit target for the first step 8%, and for the second step is 5%. So as you can see right here, you can just select anyone and then click on the start now button, and after clicking on it, then you wait for it to load. So as you can see right here, now this is the next step. All right, so we've selected the forex and the account type. Now the account balance, now this is for the $100,000 prop firm, which is going for $599. All right, so you can select the 5k account, which is going for this particular amount, and as you can see, this is $74. Now you can see this request payout. We have the bi-weekly 80%, we have the monthly, and we have the weekly. All right, now you can just select anyone that you want. All right, and there's a room for discount code right here. Now I'll be getting a special discount code for everyone that will be on my platform, that will be using this particular video to get this particular prop firm. So you can just apply the prop firm code, discount code, and you'll be able to get it for a cheaper price. All right, so after doing all of this, just click on you agree right here, and then you create an order. Right after selecting your platform, then you create an order. So after doing that, then you'll be credited with the prop firm account after making the payment. And after making the payment, after doing all of that, then the details to your MT4 or MT5 will be sent to you. As you can see, me, I'm currently using the MT4 right here, and I've gotten mine already. So if you click on the key button right here, you click on it, and this is going to pop up for you. All right, so this is their server name, Ola Prime demo. This is your password and your account number. All right, so as you can see right here, just select the Ola Prime demo, select it, and then input your details right here. So after inputting it, then you wait for it to load. As you can see, this is mine right here. It is right here chilling. This is the prop firm I just got from them, so I just have to trade with it and request for my payout. All right, so this is that. I just want you to know that this particular prop firm is very legit. You can make money from it based on the multiple withdrawal proof we've gotten from them. And also, as you can see, they have a Discord community where you can send messages, and as you can see, a lot of people are already getting their payouts from this particular prop firm, just like they promised. They promised 1 hour payout, and they are really giving it. Right, so as you can see, they have a lot right here. All right, they have a lot of resources, suggestion, the trader story, and everything. They have Hola Prime TV as well. All right, so this is this about this particular prop firm. It is really worth it, guys. All right, I recommend it. I highly recommend it because they are trustworthy and reliable, and their payout is also very fast. All right, I highly recommend them. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.